Hi, Stalin and David here to welcome you to our virtual platform, the NYC H2O HUB, where you'll find our lessons on the New York City water system presented as StoryMaps.
StoryMaps allow for narrative, GIS, and multimedia tools to be combined in novel ways to tell a story interactively. So what is and why use GIS?
Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, is used to analyze and display map data. When transitioning to an online platform, we wanted to connect back to our in-person field trips, and the best way to do that was by digitizing the maps we use to contextualize our lessons in the field.
If you're familiar with our in-person field trips, you can find the virtual versions of these walks inside the New York City Water Infrastructure Collection. And if you haven't been with us before, check out these maps for a taste of what we share outside.
This allows students to manipulate modern and historical maps of water infrastructure in New York City. The story maps also incorporate illustrated narratives using photos and videos that are suitable for a wide range of students and adults.
GIS has become an indispensable tool for conveying data through maps for urban planners, educators, journalists, and scientists, including epidemiologists.
Now let's take a look at our virtual education hub and how you can explore these story maps.